1, 2. Check 1, 2. Merry Christmas, everybody. It's your homegirl, Ria. It is 12:30 something in the morning, and I have decided to start packing. Last minute, because I'm leaving in 2 days. But first, shout out to Shreya for gifting me this lovely device, which I will use to annoy everyone around me.
You wrap this only for me to unwrap it in front of you. Do you not care about the trees?
Can you?
Is it tonight? Right now! It's a microphone! Don't care. I'm gonna be a menace right now!
You told me you're gonna try your best
I said
to not
try.
use it.
Hello! Thank you.
Thank you. I want to show you something really quick. I have small mini bottles of everything. Conditioner that I use, sunscreen, makeup remover. So I have all of this in here. All labeled. Okay? See, this is Ria getting her life together. She's labeling things now. It's the next day and I'm at my friend's house. Brought all my suitcases because we're both going together so that I can leave from her house directly. Merry Christmas, everybody. I really hope you have a great one and I can't wait to start off my Boxing Day by going on a flight. Honestly, the best things in life are not materialistic. They're a f***ing flight ticket out of here. I will show you a few clips of how it went. Yeah. We gotta hustle.
Alright, hustle. Peace.
Peace. It's 4:30 in the morning. We're getting ready to go.
I have a question. So when we leave Hong Kong airspace, can I take off my mask? This is the first time I'm taking off my mask in 2 years, everybody.
3, 2, 1. Way! She's done it.
It's weird as
Enjoy this feeling for the next 7 days.
Good morning, Phuketians. Is that, how do you call people Phuket?
I think Phuketians works.
Phuketians. That's what we're gonna call. We're going to the beach.
Where are we going?
We going to the beach?
Beach.
Let's go.
Let's get a getaway. They say what they want to say. Hey, you ready for this?
I'm ready. I don't know if I've
An
been ready.
unenthusiastic response from Within. Okay. Cool. It ran out of battery. No.
Oh God.
Touchdown in Phuket. I'm with my besties.
Besties.
We just had lunch. Now we're going to the beach and gonna jet ski because we're cool like that, right, Cash?
What are we doing?
We are jet skiing.
We're jet skiing. Hell yeah.
I'm about to fly off this jet ski
Hell
mad
yeah.
quick. Ten out of 10. Would recommend. Good morning. It's day 2 in Phuket. I just woke up. It is a beautiful sunny day in Thailand right now, even though it's December. But that's life in the tropics. So yesterday was quite intense. We ended up going for dinner. We went to this place called Soul Shack.
Yeah, we outside and it's a Monday, baby.
We inside but outside at the same
We
time.
inside but outside.
It's
I
called
wanted to sit on the balcony. Okay, I take it back. It's insane because this is the first time I've traveled in the last 2 years. And the first thing that I think about every single time I'm walking into a restaurant or leaving a restaurant is like, where's my mask? Where's my mask? Because in Hong Kong we still wear masks. Totally forget that people have faces because it's covered most of the time. Coming from a concrete jungle, living in a concrete jungle, I realize how much peace I feel here. All I hear is the sound of the palm trees and the sound of the fountain running water by the pool. And it makes me realize that I really want to continue traveling to find those pockets of peace in different countries. I'm grateful for the opportunity to travel, but more so I'm excited to do more of this in the coming year. Oh, this is my manager, Manya.
You're working too? Good morning. What were you doing?
I was doing my application.
We're gonna go shoot guns.
On the right you see forest. This gentleman who's in front of you lives 10 kilometers away. He's got 2 wives, 6 kids, and he climbs coconut trees for a living. He'll go like very quick.
Yeah. But it's thought straight after.
I'm shaking. I never thought a gun would feel so like heavy. I don't even know how I feel about it. What's a Tommy?
Tommy Hilfiger, and I ain't talking clothing.
Guns have become super normalized, especially in media, but holding one in my hand that was super scary. Holy crap. Okay, alright. This guy does not know how to behave himself on camera. Stop! We're in a supermarket! Sophisticated wifeys.
Oh yeah. Cookie sandwich. It's a perch?
Yes.
It's tilapia.
Anyway, hello, it's New Year's Eve.
literally stopped my because I thought there was a demon outside.
And we need to wake the up!